My name is Michael Dreiser. I'm the Director of Sales in Porsche Motorsport. And today we're going to have some very exciting news about the 911 GT3 R, which is our latest edition for our customers to feel in for season 2023. Customer racing has a very long tradition with Porsche Motorsport. It goes back to as early as the 356, and since then has been steadily part of our DNA and our brand activities. And to be honest, some of the greatest victories of our brand were achieved by customers. The GT3 segment is really booming. We see a lot more people coming into the competition because they want to go racing such iconic races like the 24 Hours of Spa, in Bathurst, at the Nürburgring or Daytona. So it's a really ideal formula where you can go compete against other brands, other teams in the open GT competition. With the GT3 in the future also making its way to the WEC and to the 24 Hours of Le Mans, I think this is all something which we can all looking forward to. The bar was set very high with the current car because the current 991 GT3 R is a very successful and very popular car. But as there's always room for improvement, our task was specifically to feedback that customer input into the development and design process. With the new GT3 R, we can all look forward to a well-rounded package again. And now Sebastian is going to give you some more insights on the technical bits of the car.
Hi, my name is Sebastian Goltz and I'm the project manager of the new 911 GT3 R. To be successful in the future and to win big races like we did in the past means we need to have a proper base. The base GT3 road car was really great for us because motorsport is inside of Porsche and inside of the 911 street car. So for us it was a really great honor to use this car as a base. The car is a pure motorsport car. The new or the successor of the GT3 R is not a complete different car. So the challenge was on this side, we have to develop everything, and it means it is a revolution of an evolution. So you will see every single part of this car is changed and modified even a little bit better to the old one. And now we can see perfect motorsport car directly behind me. The focus of the new car was definitely on the drivability. Drivability for drivers are the most important thing to be successful in this project. The new aerodynamic of the car, from the front and the rear, is improving the drivability and stability. It is easy for the driver to have a constant drive over a whole stint. You can see on the front the short lip of the front diffuser. You can see the change of the louvers which move from the top to the back of the front wheel arch, and it's also something you can see on the back. The rear wing is not supported from the lower side, now it's supported from the top side. And these are significant changes on the efficiency and the performance of the car. The next step was we need to take care about tire wear. Tire wear means we need to improve the weight distribution of the car. That means we shifted a little bit more forward the weight distribution, but we still have the great traction of the car what we had before. What we also designed in a better way for the driver was the handling. Handling means the driver needs to be able to drive the car really easy, and this means the seat position, pedal box position, and also the steering must be in a good position for the driver. Everything is now directly in the next area to reach for the driver and adjustable. So we have less buttons in the car, but the functionality is improved. That means everything is fitted for the driver. And as soon as he's engaging the first gear and accelerating, he feels the strong power of this drivetrain. The drivetrain is a really powerful one now. So we increased the capacity from 4 to 4.2 liters. The torque behavior is now completely different. So we're already going from the low revs with high performance and high power up to the high revs, which is up to 9,000 RPM. The increased front width and also the increased wheelbase gives you a more stable platform. But it's not just everything on that side. This small changes gives also the look to a really powerful and great design of the 911. It feels really, really strong if you have a look on this car. Safety for drivers is really important for Porsche. So the car is designed on the highest level of FIA standards. That means we fulfill all the rules which are required, but on top of that, we put additional protectors into the car for the drivers. So, for example, on a crash, the car is protecting the driver also on his leg side. You can see inside of the car that you have on the front room of the driver compartment some protectors on each side. A lot of drivers were driving the car already. The first thing is they had a big smile in their face. But what we tried to achieve was to have a good drivable car, and the feedback was clear on that side. It was easy to drive, it is performing, it was just fun for them to drive this car. So it was a Porsche feeling directly coming to the drivers. I'm really excited to see this car on track. So already beginning of next year we will see this car racing together with our customers, and I'm really sure we will see really good moments and successful moments for the future with the 911 GT3.